you are looking for a cleaning routine that fits into your busy schedule as a working mom, look no more, I have a video just for you. Hi, my name is Marta and I am here to help you manage your household as a working mom. If you are looking to find ways to simplify your routines, your systems, and just make things run more efficiently, this channel is for you. So make sure you subscribe down below, like this video, and leave me any questions or comments that you may have regarding any future content that you want me to include on this channel. Without further ado, let's get into the cleaning video. So the cleaning schedule I'm sharing with you is gonna be Monday through Saturday or Monday through Friday. There's an option to combine the chores from Friday with Saturday as well. And I did it purposely because I know for me, sometimes I like to get everything done by the end of the week. And sometimes I just run out of time and need that Saturday to catch up. So the goal is to have it Monday through Friday. However, I left a little wiggle room to have that Saturday as an option. Now, I have been doing it for 3 weeks now and it's absolutely amazing. I decided that since we are in quarantine and we are basically stuck at home, this would be a perfect timing for me to try something new. And I am telling you that it works like a charm. My Saturdays have freed up so much time for me that I am definitely planning to stick with this. So as you can see, on Monday, I do my office and any paperwork. So if you don't have an office, you might have a desk or you might have a command center that needs cleaning up. And we definitely all have paperwork that we need to deal with. So Mondays for me are office. I'm starting off easy. Ask you this. Make sure you leave me a comment to answer this question down below and let me know what is your least favorite place to clean in your house. I think for me it's my floors because they seem to take forever. The vacuuming, the mopping, everything else goes by really quickly. The vacuuming and mopping, I don't know, just not my favorite. So let me know what's your least favorite one down below. Now, another thing that I also do on Mondays is laundry. So my laundry routine is basically Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. That's when I choose to do laundry, and I'm gonna have a whole other video on how my laundry routine looks like. But this is why you are seeing me taking care of laundry on a Monday. And Tuesdays are the day where I clean our bedrooms. This is when I basically dust all the bedrooms. So we have 3 bedrooms. We have my daughter's, my son's, and our master bedroom. There isn't that much things to clean. We literally just sleep in those rooms at this point. We live downstairs. So it's really not time consuming at all. Now, what takes the most time on Tuesday is to actually clean the Legos. So if you guys have any tips of what I can use to kind of dust it off a little bit, that would be greatly appreciated. Make sure to leave it in the comments for me. Another thing that I did not mention at the beginning is that my goal is to be done within 15 to 20 minutes. The only exception to that might be that Friday if you are doing both, vacuuming and mopping along with the bathrooms, because that tends to take most of the time. But I know that each week as I go through those rooms, as I go through my tasks, I am developing a routine and it goes faster each time I do it. Printable for you down below. If you want to check out exactly how I do it, you can print it out and do it as I'm doing it, or the second page of the printable is basically just an empty one, so you can fill it out with the schedule that works for you. Now, Wednesday is the day when I clean the downstairs. So by downstairs, I basically mean the living space. So for us, that is the living room, dining room, and the kitchen island. That is where we spend a lot of time, so I make sure that on Wednesdays I do dust everything, clean any surfaces like a dining room table and our window in the living room. Thursday is the day to clean the kitchen. So that's when I do a deep clean of the kitchen. Anything like the hood that you see me cleaning, the range top, the sink, and I also do wipe down the fridge. I don't do any deep cleaning of the fridge, just clean it up because usually on Fridays we get new groceries. So I make sure that I get rid of any food that we didn't eat, anything that went bad or has expired. And Fridays are for bathrooms. I like to have a clean bathroom on the weekends. I do take a bath on Sunday usually as part of my self-care routine. So I do like that bathroom to be clean as close to the weekend as possible. And this is why I have chosen Friday to be that day. Now the upstairs bathroom I don't normally clean. That is my husband's responsibility since he's taking most of the showers there. I clean the one that is downstairs that we all use throughout the day. And like I mentioned before, I also do clean the floors. In this video, I did it on Friday. That is the best case scenario. So I vacuum the floors and mop them. And that is all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video so we can catch up on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.